Common grammar mistakes. A roadmap to fluent English. Hello, language enthusiasts. Today, we're diving into the fascinating world of English, focusing on a crucial aspect that often poses challenges for learners: grammar mistakes. Whether you're a beginner or an advanced learner, understanding and avoiding common errors can significantly polish your language skills. Let's embark on this journey to make your English impeccable. Grammar forms the backbone of any language, and English is no exception. Mistakes can range from simple punctuation errors to complex sentence structures. But worry not. We're here to demystify these common blunders. Understanding why and how these mistakes occur will be our first step towards mastering the art of perfect English. Subsection 2.1. Subject-verb agreement. One of the foundations of a correct sentence is the agreement between the subject and the verb. Let's explore examples of incorrect usage and learn the rules to ensure that your subjects and verbs are in perfect harmony. Subsection 2.2. Tense errors. Tenses express the time of an action or event. Incorrect usage can lead to confusion and misinterpretation. We'll delve into the most common tense mistakes and arm you with tips to conquer these temporal troubles. Subsection 2.3. Prepositions. Prepositions can be tricky, as their correct usage often doesn't translate directly from one language to another. We'll tackle the most common prepositional pitfalls and provide strategies to use them like a native speaker. Subsection 2.4. Confusing word pairs. English is rife with words that sound similar but have different meanings, like except and accept, or affect and effect. We'll clarify these confusing pairs and offer guidance on how to use them correctly. Learning rules is one thing, but applying them in everyday language is another. This section will provide you with practical, easy-to-apply tips to keep your grammar in check, whether you're writing an email, preparing for an exam, or just chatting with friends. We hope this journey through common grammar mistakes has been enlightening. Remember, making mistakes is a part of learning, and every error is a step towards mastery. Keep practicing, stay curious, and your path to fluent English is assured. Until next time, happy learning! Feel free to adapt or expand upon this structure to suit the specific content and style of your video. Good luck with your video!